Welcome to our Seller Central tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the Payment tab and its options in Seller Central. Head over to sellercentral.amazon.com and log in to your seller account. Once logged in, locate the Payments tab. This section is your financial hub on Seller Central. Once you click on the Payment tab, you'll be directed to the Payment dashboard, where you'll find several options for managing your payments. Click on the Disbursement option to view all payment details that have been disbursed to your account from Amazon. In this section, you'll find a date range option, allowing you to select specific payment disbursements within a defined time frame. In this section, you'll find two options in the drop-down menu: Standard Orders and Invoiced Orders. We'll explore the difference between them shortly. Here you can view all your past and upcoming payments, along with their status and amounts. You can check your payments for invoiced orders by changing the account type. Choose Invoiced Orders from the drop-down menu and click on Search. You can pause the video here and read the differences. Here you can view all the payment details related to your invoiced orders. By clicking on Transaction View, you can see the payment breakdown for individual orders, including their order ID, order value, Amazon charges, and more. In the All Statements section, you have the option to access your monthly statements, providing a comprehensive overview of your sales and charges. Here, Amazon provides details of orders in 15-day intervals. You can also download an Excel file by clicking on Download. In the Advertising Invoice History section, you can access upcoming advertising bills and all of your invoices for past ad spending on Amazon. These are the previous advertising spending invoices raised by Amazon. You can download any specific advertising invoice from here. That's it for the Payment tab in Seller Central. Don't forget to like and subscribe for updates.